Hello everybody, I am going to show you how to install IDM and crack it to use it for free for lifetime, you can say it as. So this is the URL from where you need to download IDM. Just go to the URL and download the file. After that, some download will occur something like this. It will show up something like this in the window. Just go to show in folder. Just go to show in folder and you see the IDM file over here. Drag and drop it on the desktop. Yeah, so the file has been transferred to the desktop. Now you can see the file over here. Okay, so what you need to do is to extract the files of this extract the files from this zip file to a new folder, say IDM. Drag extract files to the new location of the IDM file you just made right now. So the files have been transferred to this file. So here you see one is the setup and this is the crack file. There is a crack file in this folder. So firstly what we will do is double click on this setup and install it. Just a follow along installation. Just go on clicking next, everything will be fine. In the end it will ask for I'm having some problem, it seems like. Yeah, no problem, you won't get such a problem. So it has detected that I am using a pirated version of this software. Never matters to me. So click on cancel. For you it won't occur. Just install it. After that, after installation, you go to this IDM and for you a window will pop up something like, I'll show you in some time. So this is the case which happens generally if your piracy has been like the company came to know about your piracy, that you have been using pirated softwares. So what you need to do is you just go and click, this is the cracked idman.exe. Control C this file, this the idman.exe. Go to the location of the C drive, I must say, program files, and browse internet download manager. Here you can see a same file idman.exe. So what you do, you drag it and drop it over here, move and replace, continue. After that click on this one and a window will pop up probably if everything works fine. So we should wait and see what happens. Yeah, the window appeared like this when I clicked on idman.exe. What I did is I copied the idman.exe from this crack folder and copied it to the location C program files, then internet download manager, and after that replace the idman.exe with the new idman.exe which was there in the crack folder. After that, clicking on this one, we got this window. After that, if you check whether your registration has been complete or not, click on registration and you see this is like, looks like you can't click it because it has been cracked. It won't ask for registration anymore. So the software has been cracked for you and you can use it for free for lifetime. And yeah, one more thing, don't update it if it asks for an update. If a window comes like IDM wants to update, click no. You don't need to update it, because if you update it, then the company will come to know about your piracy and it will ask for a serial key window that appeared in front of me right in the video, right in the middle of the video. I just showed you first name and last name, email address, serial key, something like that. So don't update at any cost. If you have to update, you have to get a new crack for the newer version of IDM. So if you like mistakenly updated, please post a comment on the video so that I can give a new link for the cracked version for the updated file. So that's all. Thank you for watching.